Click on this down arrow, click on new account. So choose the solution, first name, last name, any required fields. You can see there is a red asterisk mark. That means that is a required field. If you are not entering that field, it's going to give an error. If you try to save without entering the last name, the red asterisk, these required fields must be complete. So Ambani, and check, is there any more required fields? This one is defaultly taken, the GPP. That's it. So then click on save button. So here the Salesforce displays the contact and Salesforce linked, and if you click on details, here you can see the account name also. We can link the account from contact object also. If you want to link an account, so click on this edit, you can search the required account and select that, and we can save that one. So the contact is linked to the account you specified. So here the contact is linked to the account. So as per this, we can say the contacts can create without creating a lead. If an account has a contact, we can add as many further contacts as we need. So we've seen how to create leads, account, contacts, opportunities, etc. Now I'm going to show you how to create a list view.